What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for tuning into this week's episode of the JT Show. So today what I want to talk to you about is people with a plan B are losers. Now, let me qualify that statement real quick. So it may seem like a punch in the face and a put down, yet it's not. Here's what I mean by that. People that have a very clear intention about exactly where they're going and what that looks like and what that feels like are far more likely to be successful in obtaining, achieving, or arriving at what they set their intention on. The people with a plan B have a divided intention, meaning this is what they really want, yet this is what they think they can have, or this is what they'll go do, or what they'll go be if plan A doesn't work out. And ladies and gentlemen, that's why people with a plan B end up losing out on their original intention. It's because how can you invest your attention in two places at the same time? You cannot be a slave to two masters. You must pick and choose wisely because energy flows where attention goes. So if you have your plan A, that's really what you want, yet it doesn't fit the self-image, you'll create a plan B in case it doesn't work out and be like, oh, well, this is what I really wanted. And it's bullshit. It's not true. It's your plan B chicken exit that you can go to if plan A doesn't work out. And that's why people that have that divided intention cannot pay attention to plan A enough until it works out. And really what I want you to realize is this: you are much closer to arriving at your plan A than you think. And think about it, you're a lot closer than where you started. You're more resourced, you've got more information, you've got more education, you're almost there. But you gotta have only a plan A and burn the boats. Like plan B doesn't exist, there is no chicken exit. Shut that door, be all in with faith, belief, and conviction that it will be. And the more you sit with that, the more you feel into what would I feel like? How would I think when I'm there? You're mentally, emotionally rehearsing that future success as if it's happening now. You're becoming the personality that's capable of obtaining plan A. So I want to keep this video super short today because people with a plan B don't win. Therefore, they lose out. So they are losers in that regard. Not loser as in a put down, okay? So I hope this video brought some value to you today. And remember, as I end every J2 show with, who you surround yourself with matters. Do you surround yourself with people that have a plan A with faith, belief, and conviction, and they mentally, emotionally rehearse that future success every single day? Or are you hanging around people that have plan B, C, D, E, F, and they never really obtain what they go after, and all they do is just flap their mouth about what they want, but you never see them actually go after it. You never see them obtain it, achieve it, because they always got all kinds of chicken eggs. So, thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day.